You won't you won't call you won't collect. You won't collect. Hey pigeon lovers, welcome back to another tutorial. If you're new here on this channel, what we do is that we teach people how to speak Nigerian Pidgin English, okay? I'm the teacher. Say hello to the teacher. I'm the teacher and I teach you how to speak Nigerian Pidgin. And gradually, people don't they follow me. They don't they sabi am small small. What did I say? Those that have been watching me, they are understanding pidgin English gradually. So if you are new here, go watch older videos because it's going to help you have the basics, because we're gradually leaving the one-on-one phase, the 101 phase. We're gradually, we're coming up, we're getting better. Well, like I get testimonies from you guys saying that, oh, now I can speak a bit. Oh, I'm really trying. Oh, it's awkward, but I'm trying. Keep trying, keep at it, okay? Thank you guys for watching my videos, for appreciating my content. Today, I'm going to teach you unusual pidgin English. I'm saying unusual because, not because it's not something that you use all the time, but it's not like anything that I have taught before. It's a bit deeper. We're going deeper, all right? If it's something you want to watch, then please sit back, relax, and let's get right into it. The first word I'll be teaching you guys today is trip. Not as in a journey, going on a trip, but in pidgin, to trip means to admire. When I'm tripping for you, like, to trip actually means to fall or to slide or something like that. So I think that's where they got it from. So you can say, I dey trip for you. It means that I admire you. I dey trip for you. You're admiring someone. I dey trip for that guy. I dey trip for that guy. That guy fine. I dey trip for him. That guy fine. I dey trip for him. I'm falling for him. I'm admiring him. He looks good. I dey trip for you. I dey trip for that girl. Okay, so you like a girl, you want to tell your friends, you can say, I dey trip for that girl. And then if you want to go ahead to ask her out, the pidgin word is toast. Okay, I dey trip for that girl. I won't go toast am. I won't go toast am. Okay, you can either say toast or you can say chike. Toast or chike, anyone, all of them join. I won't go chike that girl. I won't go toast that girl. I won't go chike that girl. Okay, and then I can also say, go believe say that married lecturer can't toast me. You will not believe that married lecturer came to ask me out. That married man came to ask me out. You no go believe say that married man can't chike me. You no go believe say that married man come toast me. Any of them can go. All right. So you can tell a guy now. You're telling your friend how that you went to toast. Okay, you went to toast this girl and she rejected you. How do you say it in pidgin? Guy, I go check that girl, she fall my hand. So that's our next word. Fall my hand, meaning to disappoint. Your hopes are up, and next thing, fall my hand. You fall my hand. You've disappointed me. So I go toast that girl, she fall my hand. Or your friend has gone to do something stupid that is going to bring shame to you and your friend, or you're disappointed in that your friend. You can tell your friend, guy, you fall my hand. You fall my hand big time. Why you go do like that now? Why you go fall my hand like this? Why would you disappoint me like this? Why you go fall my hand like this? Why now? You fall my hand, guy. You fall my hand. You won't collect. You won't collect. You won't collect means that, do you want to get slapped? Do you want to get beaten? You won't collect. You won't collect. It means, do you want me to get physical with you at this point? You won't make a you won't collect. And then you can also use collect in another way, like I won't go collect. I won't go my boyfriend house, go collect. I won't go my boyfriend house, go collect. What does that tell you? I'm going to my boyfriend's house to collect something. I won't go my boyfriend house, go collect. I won't go collect, right? If you're saying it in a sexual way, it means that you're going to have sex. Yeah? Chop up, chop up, chop up, okay? It means to put on weight, but successful weight though, not if, like when they want to use those kind of words, you know, when somebody has been broke for a while and the person eventually has made money and the person looks fresh and flourishing, you can say, I see Emeka don't chop up. Do you understand? Emeka is now successful. He now looks good. He's fresh. He's fresh. You know, that guy don't chop up. That girl don't chop up. It means that she's looking good, basically. So you want to express that someone or you will dress nicely. You can call it buff up. You can call it cack, okay, or deck, okay? Buff up, deck, cack. I'm going to give you guys examples, yeah? So I'm explaining to you how I dressed nicely for an event. I would say, I buff up, go that event. I buff up, go that event. Obviously, to have your bath is to bath. In Pidgin, I won't go bath. So it means that you've cleaned up so well. So I buff up means that my steez was in place. I buff up, go that event. I buff up. Or on that event, baff up, oh, baff up, me you know fall my hand. So dress nicely so you don't disappoint me. That place where would they go, baff up. So I want you to dress nicely, make you no fall my hand. All right? Deck, which is still to dress nicely. You can be telling somebody, guy, I deck. If you see me, I deck, go that photo shoot. Do you get what I mean? Or you can say, the guy deck, he fresh, if you see him, he deck. So I already have an image of somebody that looks nice and has dressed nicely, okay? And then the last one is cack. If you see as the girl cack, it means that, she dressed nicely and she's stylish. This one where you cack like this, where you they go? This one that you're this nicely dressed, where you going to? You know, so, but most people like to use bath up or deck. Cack is not something that you would find regularly out there. Next is yarn. Yarn. To yarn means to talk, okay? So I want to tell you that I want to discuss something with you. I can come and tell you, get one yarn where I go like follow you yarn. You and I both, we need to talk. You get one yarn where I go like follow you yarn. This is long, okay? You can also say, I go like yarn you something, okay? Or you and I need to yarn. Our two, you and I is also said as our two, can be also said as our two, okay? Our two, meaning you and I, both of us. Our two need to talk. Our two need to yarn. Our two need to yarn. So to yarn means to talk, and then to gist means to talk, but more like story, okay? I get gist for you. Girl, come sit down. I get hot gist for you. I have steaming story for you. I have some steaming celebrity gist for you. So when I say come sit down, I get gist, it means that I have something to tell you that is spicy, okay? And then you go, gist me, like tell me. Gist me, what's up? Gist me, you know? And I'll be like, you know, say that girl don't carry belly. You know, say that girl don't carry belly, meaning, do you know that girl is pregnant? That small girl that is 12 years old, she's pregnant, you know, so that's gist. But yarn can just be to talk, something, it can still be story, it can be anything. But gist is more spicy than yarn. Do you get it? Fashi. Fashi means to forget, to disregard, to ignore. Fashi. So I can tell you, fashi that girl. Like, just forget about that girl. Like, disregard. I beg, fashi that girl. I beg, just fashi that girl. She's not important. Forget about her. Fashi. And then I can just tell you, do you know where I kept my, I beg, fashi? I wanted to ask you something, but I'm like, forget it, you know. Do you know where I can find fashiam, or fashi? I can just say fashi, like forget, okay? So fashi can be forget, it can be ignore, like, why you fashi me like that now? Why you fashi me? Like, why did you ignore me like that? It can also be, that why you fashi me can also be, why did you forget me? Why you fashing me now? Now wow, this is our friendship now. Why you just fashing me? You just fashing me like you just left me. You just forgot about me. You just ignored me. Why you dey fashing me now? Why you dey fashing that subscribe button? Why you dey fashing that subscribe button wey dey your front? Press am now. Press that bell now. So you dey get notification. Did I almost forget the pidgin phrase of the day? Why didn't you remind me? Why would I not remind me now? The pidgin phrase of the day, okay? The pidgin phrase of the day is God don't butter my bread. Aye! God don't butter my bread. It means that God has answered my prayers. Something good has happened to me. Okay? You can always say, God don't butter my bread and God don't sugar my tea. Okay? God has buttered my bread and put some sweetener in my tea. God don't, there's a song, He butter my bread, He sugar my tea, oh. Na so wonder Jesus they do, okay? So God does wonders and He has answered your prayers. You can just say, man, God don't butter my bread, or God don't sugar my tea, or you can say both. If you want to be dramatic, you'll be like, you no go believe what just happened. God don't butter my bread. He don't sugar my tea. Hey, today I signed contract worth $5 million. Dash means to tip or to gift, but most times yeah, to tip or to gift, like I beg dash me money now. I can just come and tell you. In Nigeria, it's common, we dash people money. Everybody dash, we dey dash ourselves things, eh? So dash me money now. Come dash, yeah, come dash me money. It means come and give me money free of charge. Just give me money, just tip me. Dash me money now. Or I like this your top, oh. You go dash me. Maybe not, maybe not the one you're wearing. Maybe I'm in your house and I go to your closet and I like one shoe. I can just say, dash me this shoe now. Then the person can go, oh yeah, take, I dash you. Oh yeah, take, I dash you. So I've given it to you, I've gifted you, I've given it to you, it's dash. I got it free. Do you understand? So dash, I dash you. Or I dey pity this boy, you dash am money. Or make I dash this boy money, I dey pity am. I feel for this person, let me give him some money, let me just tip him. Do you get it? Cap means to lie. Like, why you dey cap? Guy, you dey cap. You are lying, okay? And then you can also use it as somebody talking out of context. Like, you dey cap. You're saying, what you're saying is unreasonable. Why you dey cap like this? Why you dey cap like this, okay? So to cap means to lie or to be irrational in your thinking or saying something off key, but basically they use it to describe lies, okay? The guy just dey cap. The guy just dey lie. So the last word of the day is bone. Bone that thing, my guy, bone, okay? So bone can actually mean to ignore or to frown. Let me give you two different examples. So if I want to use bone as ignore, yeah? I can say, why you dey bone me? Like, why you ignoring me? Why you dey bone me? Why you dey bone me? Why you ignoring me? And I can also say, I beg, bone that guy. Bone that guy. Yeah? The same thing as fashi that guy. Bone that guy. Fashi. Forget that guy. Ignore that guy. Okay? That is bone. But when I want to use bone in terms of frowning, that's the only word, in short, that's the only pidgin word I know for frowning. I can say, why you dey bone face? Like, why you boning? Why you dey bone face? Why you dey bone face? So your face is like a bone, it's strong, it's hard. Like, why you dey bone? Why your face be like this? Why you dey bone face? I must not put face, so I can just say why you dey bone. If I say why you dey bone, you already know I'm talking about your face. But I can also say why you dey bone face, okay? And this brings us to the end of today's video. Let me know what you think. Did you learn anything? Did you enjoy it? Do you have questions? Put everything down in the comments. I'll be right there waiting to read and reply as usual. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. I love you guys. Bye.